Get ready, guys! Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I'm Samantha.
I'm Kate.
And we are unboxing Stitch Fix for Kids. So this is not actually Paige's box. It's her big sister's box. But big sister's at school right now. So we're gonna pull everything out and we're gonna vote whether we think Emma likes it
or
disagrees. You ready? Okay. So let's show them the inside. This is what it looks like when you open your box. Thank you. You get a bag that already has the postage on it to return things you don't want. You get stickers. Show them the stickers, Paigey. Ooh la la. And then inside of this is the invoice of the items that are inside, as well as the outfit style guide and the note from the stylist. Paigey has our first item. Tell us about our first item, Paigey Poo.
It's a pretty big shoe.
It is a pretty big shoe. That is the Mia Kids Ivy Ankle Strap Flat. So it goes around the ankle and across the foot. Okay, so do you think Emma is gonna like it or not like it?
Like it.
I think she's gonna not like it.
I think she might like it.
No, you can stay with your answer. Okay. We've changed to, we do not think Emma's gonna like it. We'll see.
Because she doesn't like pink.
She doesn't like things that are pink.
Hey, Mama, I open it.
We'll open it together.
Okay, I open it. Wait.
Here, get the bigger one.
Here we go.
Okay.
Big.
Open yours.
Okay.
Show us what you got. Show us what you got.
You go first.
Okay, I'll go first. This is, oh, it's a dress.
Let's disagree.
You disagree? Oh. It's got a cold shoulder and a ruffle sleeve. I think this is so cute. I think she's gonna like it.
No, she's gonna disagree.
She disagrees? She's gonna dislike it? It's the Chenault Girl Heaven Brushed Cold Shoulder Swing Dress. That is quite the name. Let's see. It's $22. So, $22. We'll see what Emma says. What's next, Paigey?
This one.
Ooh, I like that. That is the Rumi Ryder Timma Twist Sleeve Swing Dress, and it's $24.
I think Emma's going to like it.
I think she's gonna like it too. I agree. So there we go. It might be a little too wide. She has a very narrow body base, so we'll see. Okay.
It's the next thing, guys.
What's next?
This pretty.
Well, we got some dresses, which she needed. This is the Rumi Ryder Val Fit and Flare dress.
Hey, Mom.
And it's $24. Okay, Paigey, is she gonna like it or dislike it?
Like it.
I think she's gonna dislike it.
Okay, I think.
No, you don't have to change. Okay, we'll see what Emma says. I hope she likes it. I want this in an adult size, if we're being real. Ooh wee! Look at those.
Cheetah pit long leggings.
It's a knit legging. Those are $12. Do you think Emma's gonna like it or dislike it?
Like it.
I think she's gonna dislike it. Okay, let's see. What's next? Polka dot pants. The Leah knit legging. What is this one? $12. Do you think she's gonna like it or dislike it?
Like it.
I think she'll like it. I agree. All right, what's in your bag?
A lot more.
A lot more.
This pretty hoodie shirt.
The Rumi Ryder, the hoodie tee, $20. Do you think she's gonna like it or dislike it?
Like it.
I think she's gonna like it.
I
mean, look at that. This hoodie tee with these leggings. That is so cute. Okay, what's next, baby?
Next is Emma's gonna love all of her.
Oh,
A unicorn.
a unicorn. She will love that with all her heart.
No, that's not a unicorn.
The Chaser Aubriana graphic pullover, $24. Ooh, it's soft. Here we go. Okay, what else, Paigey? That was a definite like.
A pretty toy.
Oh, Rumi Ryder pullover sweater
Emma's gonna
in light
love
gray.
Love
$22. It's soft. Yeah, I think Emma's gonna like it.
Wait, Mom.
I say thumbs up.
Can I keep the box?
Sure. You can decorate it in colors.
Well, I love this one. She might like it.
I agree.
It's a pink one.
The Rumi Ryder pocket sweater cardigan,
Yeah, but it's a different color.
$24. And it's a cardigan. Paigey, would you like this?
Yes.
Yes. Is Emma gonna like it? No, I don't think she's gonna like it either. Okay, so what do you think of this? Do you like these clothes?
I'll tell you which one.
Watch your dress, you're on a dress.
Okay, but I'll tell you what I like.
What do you like?
The one I really liked was
Your all-time favorite.
my all-time favorite was this one.
That's your favorite?
Was that yours?
That's very beautiful. I think my favorite is this one right here. Hold yours up. These are our favorites. What do you think Emma's favorite's gonna be? Okay, and I choose this one.
What? This has Pegasus on it.
It does have Pegasuses on it.
And unicorn.
Yeah.
Stars. Moon.
Okay. So Emma will be home from school in a few minutes,
And bye.
and we'll have her try it on and vote.
Okay. Bye-bye.
You want your box?
Yeah.
There you go. Go have fun. Oh, sorry. You don't need this stuff, do you?
Bye-bye.
My bad. Okay, so in this box there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 items totaling $214. If I keep everything, it takes $53 off, making the box total $160.50 for all 10 items, which $16 per item for us is a really, really good price point. I'm gonna show Emma her little note in her style card. I'm sure she's gonna hop up with Paige and wanna decorate that box. And we'll see what she says. Try on coming up right now.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Emma, what do you think about your top? Do you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumb.
But I really do wish there was a unicorn here.
Oh. What about the pants? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
I wish there was unicorns on it, but it's still thumbs up.
Thumbs up?
Both sides of thumbs.
Is that like a, it's
Maybe.
okay?
Yeah.
Turn around so they can see your whole outfit. That's cute. I love it. I think you look amazing. Turn around. Very, very cute. I love it. I give it a huge thumbs up. And you give it a, all right. Let's go to the next one. Okay. What do you think about this dress?
Awesome. It's really soft on the inside too.
So you do like it? I'm trying to decide if I like it. I liked it when I pulled it out of the box. I can't tell.
Pockets! Pockets!
Oh my gosh, there is pockets. So I sized her up to a solid size 8 on this box. And because last time I was scared we were getting too close to growing out. So it looks like everything has plenty of growing room, which makes me very, very happy. Turn around, show them the back. It has pockets, I do love that. So maybe once you grow a little bit, it'll fit a little better. But, so you do like it?
Love it.
Okay.
It's so cool.
Cool, awesome. All right, what do you think about this one?
Really good. Thumbs up for sure.
Thumbs up for sure. We both said thumbs up on this one. We knew you were gonna love it. Turn around and show the back to everybody. Is it soft? Yeah. Turn around.
Y'all should get one of these.
Yeah. I think we should
Or
get
get the whole Stitch Fix box.
one. Okay.
Get all
So you need to subscribe to Stitch Fix to get one of these. Maybe you should subscribe to our channel as well so you can check out more cool unboxings. What else should they do? Maybe give it a thumbs up? Yeah. So give us a thumbs up, y'all. Okay. What do you think about this dress?
It's really nice. I like it a lot. I would give it a thumbs up. It's a little big, but the pockets are kind of shallow, but and a little big. But I like it.
Turn around. Let's see the back. Yeah. I like this one a lot. Now I did look and I went on her profile and we sized her up to a size 8. And the last dress I showed you and this dress are size 8-10. So we have plenty of growing room. I guess they have group sizing. I mean, I from a mom money saving perspective, I love that because she has room to grow. But from a sizing, I'm like, just send me a size 8. Okay. I think you look beautiful.
I like it.
Okay. All right, give us a vote. What do you think?
Perfect. It's super soft, so I would give it a thumbs up. It doesn't have any pockets like all my other dresses. But it is cold shoulder like a lot of the dresses.
And you like cold shoulder or no?
Love it.
Okay.
And it's really soft on the inside.
Turn. Okay.
I think we should keep it.
I think we should keep it. Okay, so that's a thumbs up. There we go. All right, Emma. She has 3 items from her box on here. And once again, the same sizing issue. I sized her up to a kid size 8 and they sent size 8-10/medium and everything. And it's all a little big, but we have growing room.
Yeah, and it's also a little heavy on me.
Feels heavy?
Yeah, and
okay, so let's start with
it's maybe a thumbs.
Which one? What about this pink thing?
Both of these together because it's kind of heavy. Well, just this shirt is heavy, but I don't know about just this on.
Let's try this.
It's a little big for me.
Put your arms down so they can see. So she's 8 years old. This is a size 8. Let's pull just this part off because you don't love it. Turn. Let me roll your other sleeves. Come here, baby. If we did just this, turn the other sleeve, please. How do you feel about things? Look at the camera and tell.
A little less heavier, but it's kind of actually soft.
So this is a thumbs down. What is that one? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Both of them together, when they're both on together, are thumbs down, but the thumbs up, I guess, alone.
Okay, because they feel better. What about your pants?
A lot of thumbs up.
A lot of thumbs up. Okay.
Nice.
Turn it in a circle so I can see your whole outfit. So there you go. Yes, you can stop. Okay, and these shoes. What do you think about these shoes?
Cute.
You think they're cute?
I want to try them on first before.
Okay, so sit down and slide them on.
Thumbs up because
let's
sometimes
see.
I get scratch my feet up.
I wonder if I can take that off. I guess we have to take it off to be able to try it on. So I'm gonna tear it because I don't know how else you're gonna try it on. Okay.
Tape it on. I would think it's a yes.
So note to self, these are extraordinarily tricky to get on. Are you pushing? Push.
It will be a no. Cut out my pinky toe. Thumbs down.
Hold your foot up, show them.
Thumbs down.
Sit up here. Scoot your hiney butt. Can y'all see these?
Down.
I agree.
I don't want to do this forever.
I know. These
And
don't look.
it's also a little big.
These don't look very comfortable. They're super, super rigid, y'all. Yeah, I figured these would be a thumbs down. I am not a fan of those. Okay, so that's it. So the box as a whole, would you say it's a thumbs up, a medium, or down? Okay, thumbs up. Excellent. And you guys, she's my hardest one to shop for. My youngest is all about everything. So a thumbs up on this box is actually really, really good.
Rare.
It is rare, actually. All right, guys, thank you for hanging with us. Seriously, guys, if you watch this video and you like it, give us a thumbs up. It's encouraging to the brands as well as us. If you want to try it out, subscribe. We always have something going on. I think right now it's a free $20 or $25 to go shopping with. Not so bad. Okay. We hope that you have an amazing day, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.